I am uploading third series of Gita Vision, which is chapter 15, text 7. Does devotion makes us successful in everything that we do? Devotee sometimes thinks that if I can't do a particular service successfully, that's because I am insincere. If I had been pure and sincere, I would be empowered by Krishna to succeed at any service I may be called to do. Such thinking arises from misunderstanding about the potency of bhakti. The Bhakti tradition often glorifies the potency of devotion in empowering the soul to transcend their conditional limitations. The Bhagavad Gita states that everyone, however low born they may be, can attain the highest spiritual perfection if they take the shelter of Krishna. Simultaneously, the same Bhakti texts declare that finite soul never becomes infinite. God alone is God. None of us can ever become God. This implies practically that none of us can become perfect materially in everything we do. We all have limitations that may not go away even if we excel in devotion. The Mahabharata depicts how Arjun's son Abhimanyu attained martyrdom while trying to fight single-handedly inside the Chakravyuh. His devotion to Arjun and Krishna didn't make up for his martial ignorance about how to break out of the Chakravyuh. Similarly, the Ramayana describes how the aged Jatayu became a martyr while trying in vain to stop Ravan from abducting Sita. His fearless devotion didn't compensate for the slowness caused by his age. What does this analysis mean for us practically? That we always remember we are part of Krishna. We can only do our part as determined by our physical nature, not any part that may be chosen by us or thrust upon us. Patiently, the Gita twice urges us to serve according to our nature. So, one sentence summary is devotion elevates everyone to the spiritual perfection of attaining Krishna, not to the material perfection of becoming successful in everything they do for Krishna. Devotion grants transcendence, not omnipotence. So in Bhagavad Gita chapter 15 text 7 says, Mamo vansho jivaloka jivabhuta sanatanah mana shatanindriyani prakarti sthani karshyati. The living entities in this conditioned world are my eternal fragmental parts. Due to the conditioned life, they are struggling very hard with the six senses, which include the mind. Hare Krishna.
तुम ही तो मेरे मात पिता हो, तुम ही तो मेरे बंधु सखा, कितने ही नाते तुम संग जोड़े, कोई तो नाता जरूर होगा, कई जन्मों से बुला रही हूँ, कोई तो रिश्ता जरूर होगा। कई जन्मों से बुला रही हूँ, कोई तो रिश्ता जरूर होगा, कई जन्मों से बुला रही हूँ, कोई तो